In this tutorial, I'll show you how to embed a GIF in Notion. Whether you want to make your dashboard more engaging or add some personality to your notes, Notion makes it easy. Let's get started. The first method is to embed a GIF from the web. Visit a website like Giphy and find the GIF you want to use. Open the GIF, copy its direct link, then return to your Notion page. Place your cursor where you want the GIF to appear and paste the link. When Notion asks what you'd like to do with the link, choose Embed. After a few moments, the GIF will appear on your page and play automatically. You can also upload a GIF that's saved on your computer. On your Notion page, type image and select image. Then choose Upload, browse for your GIF file and open it. Once the upload is complete, the animated GIF will appear directly on your page. If you want to resize the GIF, simply click on it and drag the handles on either side until it fits your layout. That's how to embed a GIF in Notion. Thanks for watching.